Looking for side hustles to make some extra cash? Here are 5 that can earn you up to $500 a day. Number 1 side hustle, freelance digital design. With skills in graphic design or web design, you can land high-paying gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Number 2 side hustle, drone photography. Real estate agencies, weddings, and events pay top dollar for aerial shots. Get your drone license and soar. Number 3 side hustle, handmade goods on Etsy. Creative at heart? Sell unique crafts, jewelry, or candles. The more niche, the better. Number 4 side hustle, online courses and ebooks. Share your expertise. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to reach eager learners. Number 5 side hustle, stock market or crypto day trading. Though it comes with risks, savvy traders can make substantial gains daily. Always do your research. Diversify your income streams and put in the effort. That $500 a day might be closer than you think. Start your side hustle today. Remember to like, comment and share for more awesome tips.